Krish. Okay, Krish is going to put on his glasses. Sophistication. All right. Here we go. All right. Here we go. Krish demonstrates a high commitment to learning. He's always excited about sharing his wealth of knowledge with the class. I see Krish as a child who's very sophisticated and intelligent. Okay? And he's also been across the globe more than any other child I know. He's been to Switzerland and Germany, right? And Paris. He says, of course, yes. So anyway, we love you, Krish. Congratulations, Steve. Good job,